Okay, where's Lucas? Come on back, my man. How are you?
Hi.
When is your birthday?
August 27th.
August 27th. That's the right guy. Come on back here. Have a seat right up here. Bum right here. We're gonna put this towel down. Hi, I'm Billy, one of the lead cast guys here at Boston Children's Hospital. And I have my friend here, Lucas, today, that volunteered for us to put a cast on his left arm to show you that there is no owies at all of a cast going on. So we're gonna get ready and put a cast on Lucas now. You ready to go? Okay. Here's all the colors that you can pick from for your cast.
Oh, here's dark blue.
Is that what you want? Perfect. All right, so we're gonna get your dark blue color and put this on the cast cart. Now, the blue is the very last piece that goes on. Okay, we gotta build your cast like a house. Then the roof is the blue. Fair enough? So we're gonna put a piece of sock on your arm. Can you put your whole arm inside here, nice and soft? And you're gonna put your whole hand in here and your thumb's gonna go in that little hole. Perfect. And we're doing a thumb sock, just like so. Okay? And now we're gonna put a bunch of nice, soft cotton on your arm. I'm gonna start here and roll this on, and you're gonna keep your arm nice and still like a statue. And we're gonna wrap around. And we're gonna put a little cuff up top and one around your thumb. Good deal. Now, you wanted blue, so we have to put a white color on first. And the white makes it strong, and the blue is the last piece. And once we start with the white, I'm gonna need for you to try not to touch the other side. So fingers out nice and wide. Perfect.
Can I touch it yet?
Not yet. After the blue's on, I'll let you know when you can touch it.
Yeah, it smells a little good.
Some kids say it smells like markers. Does it smell like markers?
A little bit.
Yeah. And that gets folded back like that. Do you feel it getting warm yet?
Yeah, I feel like
Feel it getting warm. And now the blue.
it feels like a hot tub right now.
It does, doesn't it? Like a nice warm bath. And that concludes your cast with a little bit of goop to help the ends stick down. So rules for your cast is you got to keep your cast clean and dry, and nothing goes inside of your cast to itch or scratch. That means there's no rulers, pens, pencils, chopsticks, coat hangers, powder, lotion, Febreze.
What about if you color on it?
You can color on it with a magic marker, permanent marker. Not a dry erase one, but a permanent marker.
Can I touch it?
Sure.
It feels hard.
Pretty weird, huh?
Feels a little hot.
Knock knock.